The children, let us see this question. This question is based on the torque. So first let us see what is torque, dear children. Torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance. So in this diagram, if you can see, there are two forces are acting. But let us see the perpendicular distance. This is going to be play a crucial role here. So let us say torque produced by F1 force is tau 1. It is going to be F1 into R1. So as per the question, F1 and F2 both are same. How much it is? It is given 10 Newton each. So this is 10. Then R1 is going to be how much? Perpendicular distance. So in this case, this is going to be a perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance is equal to the diameter. That is, diameter is how much here? 0.4. Then the torque due to F1 force is 4 Newton meter. Now let us see torque due to second force, that is force into perpendicular distance. Force is, yes, actually 10 newtons only, but perpendicular distance, if you can see, so this you should take, that is a d2. So it is a d2. So d2 is nothing but half of the diameter. See, this is here to here, right? It is nothing but the radius, means half of the diameter. How much? 0.4 by 2. This will be 10 into 0.2. So the torque due to second force is equal to the 2 Newton meter. Now let us see the ratio of these two torques, that is 4 by 2. This will be 2 by 1. But dear children, this has to be in the ratio form. So tau 1 is to tau 2 is equal to 2 is to 1.